Hello everybody, this is Janpata Puthon. I am teaching from my garden and I'm in my garden with a bit of flowers and the weather as you can see is very cloudy. It's gonna rain very soon I think, and even though this is not the rainy season, this is the first month of summer, but the temperature yesterday was very high, about 45 degrees Celsius yesterday. So, according to the forecast, the meteorological department or the department uh, dealing with weather and climate, and they say that either today or tomorrow we might have some summer storms, and they're pretty accurate. You look into the sky, is a lot of cloud coming. I think we're gonna have a bit of rain later. I think, you know. So so let's talk about the modality that when we talk about something that's gonna happen. You see, we use the word will rain. It will definitely rain. It's going to rain. If you're not sure, you can use the word may or might. You can say that it might rain later today, or it may rain in about an hour from now. If you are really sure, you can use will. It will definitely happen. So it will rain. Will it rain? Of course it will. Will it? It may rain. If you are not sure, you can use word may. So this is a kind of modalities. We call these modal verbs. Okay, the reality of something you expecting is to happen. So it my I mean my forecast is that, yeah, it will rain because I'm very sure. Well, whether it rain or not rain, we have to wait and see. I'm Janpata Puthon. This is from my garden. This is teaching grammar for the garden.